Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Report, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
I'm Carol Massar along with Tim Stanovic. Let's get to some of the stocks on the move today. With us is Bloomberg News equities reporter Nora Melinda. Number one, what do you got?
So I'm looking at shares of Novo Nordisk. We're seeing shares of Novo Nordisk, though, that is ticker NVO. We're seeing them down for double-digit losses today. Really steep declines. It's actually its worst daily performance since 1987. And this is after the company had a steep cut to its outlook here. It's really having a lot of investors a little bit worried about its performance moving forward, especially because of the fact that it's really apparently struggling to find market share against the likes of Eli Lilly's drug, which is Zepbound. Of course, we know that Novo Nordisk really has Wegovy. They're struggling with sales there. But additionally, they did actually mention that they have a new CEO that will be coming. We knew that that was going to be a change that was made, but it's going to be an insider here. So that's kind of what I'm looking at in that space.
ADRs of Novo Nordisk down more than 21% right now. Palo Alto Networks, PANW, what's going on?
Absolutely. We're looking at shares of this company. They're also a bit lower right now, but it is in talks to acquire an Israeli cybersecurity provider, CyberArk Software. And they're saying that this could mark one of the biggest tech takeovers this year. So really interesting stuff as we're parsing through, and people are saying that it could potentially be finalized as soon as later this week. So really got all eyes on this company right now.
All right. Woohoo! I'm trying to make our railroad sound. The deal finally happening.
The deal finally happening.
I'll give you a B, Carol. That was pretty good. That one was good. A minus for that one.
I'll work on it. We got a railroad deal just quickly.
Of course, we have the deal between Union Pacific and Norfolk Southern here, which of course has been really long awaited here. $72 billion deal, cash and stock transaction. Lots of eyes on it, of course, here. This will be the biggest transcontinental railroad in the United States.
But both stocks down by a lot. So maybe because it's been out there for a lot.
Maybe it's old news now at this point, Carol.
I don't know. We like railroads.
Who doesn't?
The Stock Movers Report from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.